How do I clean my stainless steel appliances? Our tested and approved stainless steel conditioning pack contains everything you need to clean and protect stainless steel ovens and other appliances. The pack contains cleaning powder and 5 conditioning cloths which are coated with a protective oil as well as full instructions. Before cleaning, always ensure that the appliance is turned off and check that it is cold. You can clean it on a daily basis with an e-cloth, but for a thorough clean, wet the cloth under the tap and then sprinkle the cleaning powder onto the cloth before wiping the surface. Do not put the dry powder directly onto the surface. Then use a damp clean cloth to wipe away the powder residue. A dry cloth can also be used to remove any moisture. The surface can be protected against future marking with a conditioning cloth. Gently wipe the oil into the stainless steel surface. Then, use kitchen paper to remove any residual oil, to leave a showroom shine on your stainless steel appliance. To use this product, please follow these steps. If you need further information, please refer to the instruction manual. To find out more about our cleaning and care products, or to arrange an engineer visit, please visit the Bosch Home Appliances website.